Okay, a couple things to understand before you dive into the river problem. First thing is how to count the number of trips. If an adult gets in a boat and goes across the river, that is one trip. If he goes back, that's two trips. Okay, don't go back and forth as just one. So this would be like 1, 2, 3, 4 trips. Obviously, you might want to switch around the people in the boat when you do this problem. The other thing to notice is who can be in the boat at one time. The only way an adult can be in the boat is if they're by themselves. You can't put an adult and child in the boat and expect them to go over the river. The boat's not big enough. Okay, so this is not okay to go across the river. So the adult can go over by themselves, or a child can go over by themselves, or two children can go over at the same time. The boat's just, big enough that two children can fit. In part one of the river crossing problem, we're asking how many, or what's the minimum number of one-way trips required to get this group across the river. Okay, that means everyone who's over here needs to be over here. Remember that if you send the adult over first, there is no one over here to take the boat back. Someone must drive the boat back. In part two, we start adding more adults to this problem. So in part two, there's two adults and two children. And then the problem starts to change. What if there's more adults? What if we only know the number of trips, etc.? Okay? Good luck!